I'm going to show you where to find thousands of high-quality free sound effects for your projects. First, head over to this incredible sound library. Okay, let's click on Browse All Sound Effects. As you can see, there are over 33,000 sound effects available for you to use. You can scroll through the huge list and press the play button to preview any sound. Simply click the download button. You can choose to download it as a WAV or an MP3 file. Then click on Agree to the license terms. Once you agree, your download will begin. If you want more information about a sound, just click on Show Details. If you want to know the name of this website, just write website in the comments below and I'll share the link with you. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and save this video.